They see me rolling. They hating. Good morning, William. How are you? Bailey speech in progress. Oh yeah, that's right. What's going on with the pound then? Nothing. All right. So I got some gold good news. On a structure, daily structure based, I'm possibly looking for long. I'm sorry, for longs. Here's that 50-minute imbalance. Oh, background. I wanna color it another color. Actually, gray. Yeah, right. Top, right. So what's up, everybody? Did everybody make money yet? All right. We got 11 minutes until the casino opens. So let's see what the fuck is going on here. Oh boy, no. Inside. All right. So that's the 50-minute imbalance. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's see what we have here. Yes, I do like it. Um, yeah, this was already mitigated. The 5 minute chart, we have a breaker around this level. Yeah, I'm gonna place this long, gold long. This is pretty much a slam dunk trade, so let's do that. I'm already writing a gold long, but that is with the swing trading group. This is another position, a sniper entry. I'm going to add, I'm not adding to my position per se, but what I'm doing here is just trying to, um, yeah, trying to play the long side in goal with the VIP team. So, yeah, if I were trading my own account, well, I am no. Good day, Orlando. You mentioned S&P 500 short yesterday. I don't know. You're trading bread today. uh, this is a challenge account route, right? On my own personal account, I'm not placing this order because I'm already long gold with the swing trading group. But this is a challenge account and the one that tracks all my VIP trades, so I have to place it. You can do whatever you want, right? I'm just telling you that personally, I'm not placing this trade um, because of lot size one. Because I'm already long gold, right? And I don't have I mean, I still have an open risk in this market, meaning that my swing trade is still fully, what the fuck? Buy limit, it's still fully with the risk on. I mean, I haven't moved my stop losses at all. But this is a slam dunk VIP because not, I mean, most of my VIPs are not part of the swing trading group. Uh-huh. So what's up? Hello, Rahul. Yesterday I saw Possession. I think it was Investify that told me about that movie. Fucking scary. Oh boy. La batería. All right. Yes, I'm protected. So, let me figure out my risk calculator, the one that I use here, doesn't work for this market. I don't know why. So basically, if I were to reach 0.5%, I would need a, a two lot, a one lot. Yes, a one lot. No, yeah, a one lot. Let's try it with one lot, pending order. And I am going to. I have OCD with round numbers when it comes to my entries, guys. I don't know why. I just like them. Yeah, that's fine. 4.25 risk. That is okay. So I'm going to send this to my VIPs. It's a very trippy film. Check out the original Suspirina movie. Suspiria. All right, I'll check it out. All right, so let me just. You know what? I'll send this as a free VIP. Sure. I've seen it. My girl just told me that that we watched it. Suspira. Fucking crazy. It's awesome, she said. All right, so hold on. Hold the fuck on. I don't know why, man. I like round numbers too. What was I going to do? New VIP trade. Gold. It's a buy limit. Buy limit. So I have disconnected the copy trader that copies this trades to my other account because I'm not taking this gold position, but it's connected now. Remember, I told you that I'm not taking this one personally, but this is a tracking account, so I have to take it. And the reason is because most of my VIPs are only on the VIP group. They are not trading the swing position in gold. So my risk is 0.4% on this. You know what? I'll make it 0.5. 0.5 is my normal risk on my trades. There you go. 0.5. This is why I don't like, and this is a what? I don't like to do anything manually. This is a 2.9R. Very good for a day trade. I don't trade anything below 2R. And my risk is 0.50%. Yeah, so I was going to tell you, I hate it. I don't like it to do anything manually when it comes to trading. See, my risk calculator, this one right here, doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work with gold, and because of that, I had to manually enter the lot size, and I was about to place a trade under my normal risk my normal risk rules. Which is stupid because it is a high probability setup. So I'm sending this as a free trade too. Free VIP trade. Free VIP signal. Boom. All right. Let's do Leo. All right, so this is done. I'm going to record the video for the VIPs and for everybody. Boom, boom. Where is the OBS? All right, team, how are you? Let me go big here. Welcome to another day trading with the team. So I hope everybody saw that video about what we're going to do with the Japanese yen. So that's a very long term. It's a swing trade, right? But right now, there's a juicy setup in gold longs, and let me show you. Right, so basically what I'm doing here, it's, yeah, I mean, gold has been quite rangy lately, but what I dig about this setup is because I'm using a confluence between the swing trading and day trading. Let me explain to you why. Now, my buy zone on for the swing trading group was here. Here was my buy area. This was my entire buy zone. And this, let me just thicken this out for you guys. This, I can't, so whatever. This was, the equal lows, the liquidity that I was waiting for price to liquidate, or the lows that I was waiting for price to liquidate, to get me in long on that imbalance play right here. So that liquidation has happened. So that's the confluence I'm using for, a swing trade and, today's day trade. So the confluence I'm using is quite simple, right? Because we already liquidated those lows, this is now the structure low. It's that simple. This is the structure low. The Asian session lows are now this market's structure lows, right? So give me a second, right here. And because this market, because the Asian session lows are this market structure lows, right? We're going to play the 50-minute imbalance. Why? Because this is the order block that saw, buyers jump in. This entire zone right here is what saw buyers jump in. And as you notice, after buyers started to jump in, we got three consecutive big ass, bullish candles. And we're going to play the breaker block with the imbalance for a long towards the London session highs or today's highs, because this zone, even though it's a trap zone, right, has been quite strong, and it's very thick with sell orders. So there's absolutely no way for us to know that if price manages to break with the London highs and tap that zone, we don't know if buyers are going to be strong enough to break it. So this is the entire zone where I will take profits. So that's my thought process, guys. What do you guys think? We're buying based on imbalance? No, I just explained it. I know that you asked the question before I started my explanation, mate. But I saw it. All right, so let's do that. Let's see if we can get filled on this one. It's pretty high probability setup, if you ask me. If you have any questions about what I just said, go ahead and ask, mates. This is why I'm here. But it's pretty solid, if you ask me. Boom. Huh. Woof. Let's see what we have here. All right. Mars alone. So yeah, now that well, I don't have anything. I didn't trade the F1 strategy today. I'm starting. Today is what? Tuesday? Wednesday. Starting an F1 strategy. I'm gonna share a ton of F1 strategy trades in the upcoming weeks. So heads up for that. This is a pretty solid setup. Let's have a look at U.S. equities for the open. Um, yeah, pretty weak range on the S&P 500. This is looking very bullish. By the way, I'm not saying that it's that price is going to stay within the range, but what I'm digging about the possible longs in U.S. equities is, maybe on the Dow. Now, I'm sorry, on the Nasdaq. The Dow is something that I really don't trade at all, mates. I don't like to trade it. I don't know why people are drawn to the US 30, maybe because it's very volatile, because it's only 30 companies. But I just don't like it. I trade the Nasdaq because I understand it, and the S&P 500 is because it's super easy. Mm-hmm. Sir, I sent an email for VIP registration, but I'm not receiving any reply. Can you help, please? Yeah, sure. Give me your email, mate. I'll escalate your. Or is that your name, Kenneth Benjamin? You know what? I'll just screenshot your message and send it to my support team, mate. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Hopefully we can get filled. I wouldn't trade this zone right here. Yeah. Remember that in order for this to be the optimal A plus setup, there needs to be liquidity here, and I reckon we are going to see liquidity created here with an equal low. Maybe let's wait and see what happens, or maybe I mean, liquidity already is already there because I am looking at a 50-minute chart. Should be looking at a 3-minute chart, but that's fine. In any case, this is what I want to trade. All right. Sure, mate. No problems. I don't have Skype in this computer, so I'll use my phone. Hold on. Chinga tu madre. Hey, you guys want to see something really weird? Yesterday, I was taking a shower, right? And I live in a woodsy zone. And I live in El Salvador, so this is a hey, the market just opened. So this is a what? I lost my train of thought. Hold on. What? So this is kind of save. Kind of a before I show you, I'm gonna tell you. This is kind of I mean, it is a woodsy zone, but it's not like tempered woods. It's a tropical jungle. So yesterday I was taking a shower, and this fucking thing. God damn it! This fucking thing right here jumped out of the clothes that were on the floor. This fucking thing right here. I don't know what it is. Apparently, it's called a camel spider, and they're non-venomous. But shit, it scared the shit out of me. All right, so this is my gold. It's still looking good. If you notice here, let's go to the 5-minute chart, mate. Yeah, lows. I need another type of that. And this is the thing. If you notice here, yeah, that's fine. I need another top of the lows, and that what I was going to tell you is that we are still in a very better structure here, and even if we break with these highs, I wouldn't be too uncomfortable trading this setup. I'm trading it anyways. So that's my trade today. Let's have a look at the Euro USD, USD CAD, possible longs on the Euro USD. I was looking for that actually. So here's the 5-minute chart on the Euro US dollar. So here's what I'm looking for on the US dollar side. I never got that set up yesterday, or was it the day before? No, yesterday I was looking for the liquidation of these lows. Sometimes it won't happen, guys. So that's the thing. You have to be okay with that. But the analysis was spot on. So this is the 10-minute chart. I don't know why I'm looking at the 10-minute chart. Should be the 15-minute chart. There's quite the imbalance here, but what I would really want to see here is that play on the breaker. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, possible breaker play here. Let's wait and see what happens with the DXY. But still looking for shorts on this market. This is the 5-minute chart on the Euro USD. We have a beautiful OB here. Very, very nice. So I think I will place this trade right here. Very nice OB. Liquidity. And this is the cool thing about trading this, right? We saw the liquidation of the Asian session lows. This is manipulation. So very likely this market is going to continue higher. But again, I mean, please check US dollar, Japanese yen. Why don't you tell me what you're looking at on that market, mate, before? Um, I don't trade the US dollar, Japanese yen, so if you don't tell me what you're looking at, I'm not going to look for it at it. I trade very specific, and the US dollar, Japanese yen is not a market. It's an instrument that you trade either the US dollar on or the Japanese yen on. So get your shit together. Pum pum pum. Gold. Where is the GBP USD? I don't understand. GBP USD. Here we go. All right. What are we going to do here? I don't know. We're going to wait. I mean, super slow markets today, guys. Super slow markets. The only market that is not slow is the Japanese yen, but you know, I couldn't catch a break here. I'm going to delete all of this and go back to the 5-minute chart on the Japanese yen. And this is the thing, we got the break of the Asian session lows. Now this is how you spot a manipulation or a true break of the structure. Right here, is this a break of the Asian session lows? No. Until this moment in time, this was a manipulative move, right? Normally, you wouldn't trade anything similarly to this, right? There's only two ways that you trade it, right? After watching the manipulation below the Asian session lows, there is, you know what? I'm going to record this. I always, you know, go on educative rants and never record them, so you know what? I won't record it. So this is only for the people that are here. Yeah, the Japanese yen is very bearish. I already sent, you know, this video on the Japanese yen. So if you want my opinion on the Japanese yen, just go here and look at this fucking video right here. I mean, you would already know what my opinion on the Japanese yen is if you watch my shit. So by you asking me my opinion, not you first of all, but the other guy, by you asking me my opinion on the US dollar, Japanese yen, it leads me to think or believe, or I'm pretty sure actually, that you don't watch the content that I create. So that, my friend, gives me less of a reason to answer your question about the US dollar, Japanese yen. You get, I mean, I don't know if you catch my drift, but at least come a little bit prepared, right? So here's the thing. I'm going to do a little bit of educational stuff because the markets are super slow. I don't think I'm going to be, I won't be trading, you know, anything other than gold today. Right. So we're in a very, you know, tough times for a trader, in the sense that this is where the money is really lost. You know, this is where weak players in the market get chopped, and you know, they can't control their urges, their emotions. So this is the time to sit on your fucking hands. So let's do some educational stuff. I will be here for another, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. You can ask me anything about exactly what I do, because this is what I do. I don't know much of anything else. Yeah, so basically, the Asian session range. I don't trade the Asian session range, or the Asian session for that matter, because I use the break of the Asian session range either to the upside or to the downside for my daily directional bias. That means that, and remember, I didn't invent this. This is my entry model that I developed based on ICT concepts, right? I didn't invent the wheel. I just grabbed the wheel and I polish it to my liking. So, and before I start studying his concepts, mate, I mean, I even I didn't even um, placed in my head the importance of spotting the session ranges on your charts. To me, it's one of the most important things if you're a day trader. So, um, and remember, don't try to just play this in tomorrow in your live account just before because I am telling you what I do because you don't know exactly how I do it, and you should always backtest before applying, new concepts. So the Asian session range, I don't trade it because the break of the Asian session range gives me directional bias for the day. And there's two couple of things that you need to understand. There's always going to be manipulation, right, above and below the Asian session range. There is always going to be a manipulative move. Now, this is a manipulative move right here. This is the liquidation of the Asian session lows, which means that this is a stop hunt right there. So basically, I mean, ICT Concepts is all about understanding how to read price action. Right? This is a manipulative move to the downside. Now, are you going to trade the upside just because you saw manipulation? Of course not. That's a fucking dumb idea because there is absolutely no reason for you to believe that this manipulation is a bullish momentum move. No, you need confirmation. So whenever you see the manipulation or the manipulative move, and there's always, every day, going to be one, either to the upside or to the downside, just fucking wait. Wait, because there are two things that can happen. One, the previous high is going to break, in this case because the Asian session range was in a downtrend. If after the manipulation the previous high breaks, then you are 100% fucking sure. I mean, there are no certainties in this game, so let me just rephrase that. There's a very high probability that the rest of the day will be bullish. Now, if there is a manipulative move, or when you see the manipulative move, and then a break of that manipulative move, then there is a high probability that the rest of the day will be bearish, and you should be looking for shorts and shorts only. Now, I didn't take that trade because I was asleep, to be honest with you. I had a very rough day yesterday, but here was the perfect entry for that particular move. On the 5-minute chart, you can see that we have the manipulation, then we have the break, and then we play that imbalance with stop losses above the structure high. If you want to be super safe here, but that's nonsense. And then target, you figure it out. But yeah, patience to always get your directional bias for me is most important. Did we get trigger gold long? Damn it. Now, I mean, if let's go back to gold. Let's get back to love. All right, so imbalance plays on the 50-minute chart. There we go. Imbalance plays on the 50-minute chart. Oh, don't tell me you're not going to trigger me. You know what? I'll just take it here. No, of course not. I always wait for my triggers. So yeah, that's me, guys. There's no reason. Hey, got triggered. Long gold. So there's no reason for me to keep on, this show. There's absolutely nothing going on here today. I'm not trading U.S. equities. I just hate them today. But I hope I'm gonna give you a few minutes for you to ask me any questions. Give me your thoughts about my shows. I'm eager to get your feedback, mates, because it's important for me as an educator and a provider, right, of services to understand what the fuck it is you want. So I'll give you a few minutes, and yeah, Very good. Triggered or filled long gold. So there's, oh boy, there's always, there's always going to be a probability that your setups, being the most optimal setup ever, is going to hit your stop loss. So if you're not okay, and I'm not saying that because I fear today's gold is going to hit stop loss. No, mate, I don't care about that. I mean, if and I mean, if my gold intraday gold long hits stop loss, good. If it hits TP, good. If it breaks even, good. I don't fucking care because I already know exactly with certitude, the math behind that particular setup. So I really don't give a fuck. I'm not results oriented. I just place, I'm more focused on my decision making process than the results. And you should too. So, no questions and no feedback. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. All right. So, bye. I'll see you tomorrow.